Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. I hope you all are you doing well. So last week we heard from Keura Aunty about the letter M. Today is letter N, and from N we are going to learn about Narsinh Mehta. So you all have heard the song Vaishnava Janto, which Narsinh Mehta wrote. So I'm going to tell you a story about Narsinh Mehta. He was a very rich man, but he gave away all his money to the poor and needy, and therefore he became poor. And his wife's name was Manek Bai. They had one daughter, and Narsinh never cared about the money, nor did he worry about his daughter's marriage. So Manek Bai one day asked Narsinh Mehta that our daughter is getting old to marry and we are poor. So why don't you ask some rich people in the town to get some money for to marry her, to get her married? And Narsinh Mehta replied to her that last night God Krishna came to his dream and he asked him to come to Dwarka. And he also said that, hey, Narsi, you don't have to worry about your daughter's marriage. Send somebody to Dwarka with the hundi for the amount of money and address it to the as a set of Samdas. And he will give you the money and you can get your daughter married with that money. So Manik Bai was, after that, Manik Bai was okay, relieved, and she asked her husband to write the hundi at once. So Narsinh Mehta wrote the hundi of rupees 1500 and asked cowherd to take it to Dwarka. So hundi is nothing but the letter asking for money with the promise that it would be repaid at some time in the future. So at the time of some merchants were saying, staying in the cowherd's house, they were going to Dwarka. They said that, hey, we have some money. We shall give you rupees 1500 immediately and take your hundi. As we are ourselves going to Dwarka, we shall collect the money from the Seth Samaldas and give the hundi to him. So Manek Bai also agreed, and then she took 1500 from the merchants, and Narsinh Mehta handed over the hundi to the merchants. Narsinh Mehta then celebrated the marriage of his daughter in the grand manner, and then with the whatever money he had borrowed. So after the merchant arrived in Dwarka, they were searching for Seth Samaldas. But remember, there was no one like Seth Samaldas. So, but in the whole Dwarka there was no Seth Samaldas, right? So they were disappointed and also very angry that they thought Narsinh Mehta had cheated him. So at the end, there was one man came to see the merchant and said that, hey, I am Seth Samaldas. What do you want? And the merchant replied that we have hundi of rupees 1500 which Narsinh Mehta from Junagadh gave it to us. So, then Seth Samaldas says, oh, I thought it was 2000 rupees, not 1500. Anyways, I have brought you 2000 rupees. You may take this entire money and give me the hundi. So the merchant also very hesitated, like, he was like, okay, so 1500 hundi and this guy is giving us 2000. So eventually they said they were kind of, refusing to take all the money. And eventually the Seth Samaldas said, you can take all the money and it's 500 is, we can treat it as a gift from me since you have all helped Narsinh Mehta to get her daughter married. And the merchant were really pleasant to and took all the money. So the moral of the story is, you need to keep the faith in the God, and everything will be good after that. Jai Shri Krishna.